3 million lives. That's how many have now been lost to COVID-19 worldwide. It was only January when the world passed 2 million deaths, but today, that number hit 3 million, roughly the equivalent of losing the entire population of the city of Toronto. Now, in the countries bearing the brunt of global deaths, vaccinations are slow, variants are taking hold, and hospitals are on the brink of collapse. These are the families behind the numbers, painting a pandemic out of control. A son inconsolable as the body of his father is lowered into a makeshift grave. Another victim of India's coronavirus scourge. A steady stream of ambulances arrives at Delhi's largest cemetery daily. Graves stretch for as far as the eye can see, with a little space for more, as the city grapples with an unimaginable loss of lives. This COVID-only hospital has over 300 ICU beds, but even that is not enough to handle the surge of patients who, gasping for air, now share beds.
We are definitely overburdened. We are already working at the full capacity, rather double of the capacity.
India's capital recorded 24,000 new cases in the last 24 hours alone. More than 24% of tests there come back positive. The situation is very serious and worrying, says the chief minister. The same scenes are playing out across Brazil, where uncontrolled spread has been fueled by the more contagious P1 variant and made worse by political inaction.
We're dealing with the lives of people, and that's why we're so concerned. The mayors of Brazil, we just created this consortium to try to purchase, to try to buy vaccines and medical supplies. That's why we're asking for help to the international community.
The mayors say their hospitals are running dangerously short on oxygen and medications used to treat the gravely ill. COVID is killing Brazilians at a record rate of nearly 3,000 per day, triggering fears the country's suffering could spill over its borders.
No question that Brazil is a threat to global health security. It's a threat because of the high transmission, and the virus does not respect borders, and it's a threat because of the possibility of new variants emerging.
While some countries may be turning a corner thanks to vaccines, most of the world isn't even close to achieving herd immunity. Take, for example, India. While more than 119 million doses have been administered, only about 1% of the population has been fully vaccinated. Caryn Ceolin, City News.